fellas.
The journey begins again.
This is our start for a long playoff run, so we definitely got to be ready tonight.
Most aggressive team gonna win, gentlemen. Let's get it done. Let's go.
We came to win, baby! Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win!
We gotta go get it. Let's go. Showtime! Let's go!
This is what it's all about, man. We might not ever get this opportunity again.
Got to do it right now. It's the most important part of the game, right now.
Final seconds. Pierce puts it up for the win. Knocks it down. Celtics win. 3 by Nash. Boom to James. Throws it down.
Yo, act like you're not supposed to be winning. We're supposed to be up. We're better. Act like it.
Rondo takes it away. Spins. Puts it up. Banks it in. Rajon Rondo putting on a show.
Be aggressive. Make a couple mistakes, that's fine.
Dragons on a spin. Oh, no, score.
That's what I'm talking about, okay?
Comes up short.